we're going to use integration by parts to integrate the inverse of sine, which is uv minus the integral of v du dx. So first we can make u equal the inverse of sine x. So u equals sine minus 1x, and du dx, so this differentiated, is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. If you don't know how to differentiate the inverse of sine, I've done another video of it. I'll probably link it in the description. We now have dv equals dx, and we can integrate those, so that means v equals x. We now have all the parts that we need, so we can substitute all of that in. So you've got uv, which is this, so x sine minus 1x minus the integral of v, which is x, du dx, which is this fraction. So which is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared dx. This side is sorted, so let's now just integrate this, and we want to forget this negative on the outside, but remember it at the end. Let's let u equal this denominator, so u equals 1 minus x squared, so therefore if I differentiate this and move the dx to the right hand side, you're going to get du equals minus 2x dx. So if we now plug this in and then redo our integration by parts, we should get minus a half integrated as u to the power of minus a half. All I've done is converted this square root into its power, which is a half, and because it's in the denominator, it's negative a half. So that means it would be negative a half here. So you're going to get du, which equals minus a half multiplied by 2u a half, which is equal to minus 1 minus x squared. So let's slap that all together. We've got this final part and we've got this part here, so we can then add them together. Remember, there's a negative and a negative, so it's going to become a positive. So the integral of this is going to be x sine minus 1x plus the square root of 1 minus x squared plus c.